Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Liquanea, which is in the parish of St. Andrew, and we're just showing you guys what the traffic is like. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it's a weekday, so just giving you guys an idea of what the traffic is like. Now Liquanea is a very busy place because you have all these restaurants, plazas, banks, government offices. Around Liquanea is a lot of residential homes. I mean, thousands of homes. And you also have schools, some of the largest schools in Jamaica, very popular schools. So you find that there is a lot of traffic, and the traffic starts from this time and goes all the way back to about 7 o'clock. As you can see, it's like a dual carriageway with a concrete barricade. And I can tell you that barricade that separates the two sides of the road is not tall enough. It's not high enough. I've seen people drive across this barricade. So I hope that, I don't know if this road is, if they have plans to renovate this road right now, but if they do, I hope they put in the higher barricades like what you have on Constant Spring Road and what you have. Okay, look at that motorbike. The guy is coming from the other side of the road, and there is a break in the barricade because of the pedestrian crossing, and he rides on the wrong side of the road just to cross over rather than just riding around. Happens every day, and they get away with it, and they keep doing it because they don't get tickets. There are no camera systems to issue tickets. I mean, the government is trying. They acknowledge that there's a lot of indiscipline on the roads, and they are trying, but I think they need to try harder. They need to put in the system where you can get a ticket from the cameras, and that person would have gotten a ticket. Maybe not the person riding the bike, but whoever that motorbike is registered to. And the government has to ensure, I mean, that these vehicles are licensed and the most motorbikes are licensed. Alright, well, we're continuing here just to show you what the traffic is like. Now straight ahead at that intersection, if we turn left, we stay on Old Hope Road and head towards Crossroads. If we go straight, we go on to Hope Road, which takes us to Liquanea. And if we turn right, we go on to Barbican Road, which takes us up to the Whitcomb area or the Barbican area. Alright, so we're going across, so we are now on Hope Road. Now, a lot of persons mix up Hope Road with Old Hope Road. Now, back in the day, all of this area was part of the Hope Estate, which was a sugar cane estate, a slave plantation, one of the largest in the country. And so when that broke up, the entire area, that's why you have Old Hope Road, Hope Gardens, Hope Estates, everything named Hope up here. So a lot of persons mix up Old Hope Road with Hope Road. I have actually done it on 1 or 2 occasions, but it's a very common thing. Alright, so on the left is Campion College, which is one of the top schools in Jamaica. We have a lot of business places on this road, but you also have a lot of homes. Now, June is Road Safety Month. So the government is trying to do their best to bring awareness to what's going on the roads. Because in May had the most road fatalities since the year started. So whatever can be done to assist persons. Now the government made a list of things you can do. We're going to do another video on it in more detail, but one of the reasons why they said they have so many accidents is the overpacking of the cars. And I think that speaks specifically or 90% to the taxi drivers. Now, you have a car that's licensed to carry 5 people, and sometimes you have 8 people in the car because it's a twofold thing. One, the taxi people want to make more money, and with the cost of gas, and believe you me, gas is expensive. You have more persons. They want to carry more people to make more profit. On the flip side, sometimes you could stand up at a bus stop for 3 hours, especially during the peak hours, to try and get a bus. And unfortunately, because of how will you say the crime in Jamaica, a lot of bus people don't want to operate till all 10, 11 o'clock at night. So you find certain areas you go into, you have a bus, and when that last bus leaves at 8, it's not coming back. So you find that you have a lot of persons rushing to get on these vehicles, and so because they want to get home, they don't care, or they look the other way, that the car has 6 people and they're going to make 7, and everybody knows the car is only supposed to carry 5. So it's a twofold thing there. But the government has identified that as one of the main reasons for the accidents in Jamaica, and the police are trying. It's just that they don't have enough police, and sometimes the police will give a taxi man a ticket, or a bus man, I'd say 12 o'clock in the day, and when that police person finish their shift at 6, they are going in that very same taxi or bus to go home. So it's a catch-22, but it happens. I mean, overcrowding of the cars are a major cause, or one of the causes for so many accidents on the road. But there's not enough. The transportation system in Jamaica could be streamlined a little better. I heard that they ordered more buses the other day for the JUTC, and that's good, but the buses only take you to a certain point, like along the main road, and then because you have people that live all over the place in Jamaica, and some of them are rural areas, so the JUTC buses aren't going to carry you all the way to your gate. So sometimes you have to get on a taxi, and they just don't have enough, because persons have to wait for hours sometimes to get a ride home, and people have to leave so early in the morning to get a bus, depending on where you're coming from. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.